Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to set up 2Checkout with your BigCommerce store? In this tutorial we will show you how to integrate 2Checkout with BigCommerce so you can start processing payments easily. Follow along and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first, I will need you to go ahead and open your BigCommerce store. Just as you can see, click on login and make sure to log into your site. Unfortunately, my website is basically now like somehow banned, so I can't really get to connect, but it's pretty easy to create an account within their website. It's pretty straightforward, nothing complicated about it at all. You simply have to put like your name, last name, phone number, and some other information about you, and your website should be created with a few clicks. Now, for the actual add-ons of your 2Checkout on your BigCommerce website, how can we do that exactly? Well, it's pretty simple, guys. So by them, they have made like an article that explains that already. So how to integrate BigCommerce with 2Checkout. So as you can see here, first of all, to integrate 2Checkout into your BigCommerce store, you need to follow the steps below. Create a BigCommerce account. Once your store was created, navigate to Store Setup. Go to Payments and select the 2Checkout setup by clicking Setup button. Fill in the form, choose a display name, fill in the seller ID. The seller ID is the merchant code assigned to your 2Checkout account. To see your merchant code, log in into your 2Checkout merchant control panel, go to integrations, go to webhooks and APIs, then click on API, then merchant code. Fill in the ENS secret word. The ENS secret word displayed in your 2Checkout account under integrations. Then click on webhooks and APIs, secret word, and instant notification service will be your secret word. Then choose if your account is in a test mode or not. If your site is already ready to go live, you can start selling right away. Select no. If you are still testing your site and your store, then select yes. Click save to save your settings. Now for the 2Checkout settings, follow the below instructions in your 2Checkout control panel to finalize the Shopify integration process. This is for Shopify, so it doesn't really matter at the moment. Here you have to create a 2Checkout account, log into your 2Checkout merchant control, and redirect URL sections, check enable return after sale. Then for the redirect URL section, set the approved URL to your BigCommerce URL. You can find it in your BigCommerce admin. Then click on store setup, then payments, then 2Checkout. For return method, select link in thank you page, then click update to save your settings. So this is how you can link 2Checkout settings and BigCommerce settings together. So as I said, you have to own an account with BigCommerce, which is obviously the first thing that you have to do. Although you have to get like a premium plan here, I don't think like the free plan will get you anywhere without them allowing you to add the 2Checkout itself here. So as you can see here, there is all these features that's going to be available for you once you upgrade your plan. So here exactly in the sales channels, as you can see, online storefronts, multi storefronts, and yeah, here we go, Amazon, etc. payments. You'll find here features such as single page checkout, which is very important for your 2Checkouts, integration. Also you'll have Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, etc. as your payments. So there is a lot of information that you might get you further with this plans, so make sure to get one that will help you a lot, and also it will reduce the amount of money that will be lost at fees and in fees transactions. So in case you had a big big business that has a lot of income, make sure to upgrade your plan. It's gonna cost you like $40 per month if you were standard. In case you were making like $10,000, then go for plus or pro, whatever makes you feel better, whatever makes you get the potential or the real potential of your website. So this is very important, guys. Also here, as you can see, in case you had any questions about the 2Checkout, how to optimize it, how to make anything better within it, there is 9 posts about it in the community of Center Assistants of BigCommerce. So you can go to discussions, and here there is already a lot of articles that are talking about. For example, optimized checkout is not working for 2Checkout payment method. Here 2Checkout error in case you had an error. Here 2Checkout inline checkout integration. So there is a lot of things that basically are mentioned by the community, and the support team is basically explaining this. For example, here let's go through this. 2Checkout inline checkout integration with Sentinel Cornerstone theme. Hey all, I'm using Sentinel-based theme with my online store and 2Checkout as payment gateway. I have set up 2Checkout standard method that redirects user to 2Checkout page for checkout. I would like to set up 2Checkout inline method that pops up payment option. 2Checkout checkout on the same BigCommerce checkout page, and user don't have to leave the page to complete the checkout. So this is basically what he's talking about. Is when you go, for example, let me just go to Amazon. I like to give Amazon as examples because they are the best at it. So here we have the cart. Now Amazon, they don't have like other page as payment procedure. They have it all in here, but usually when you try to buy anything, for example, use this address, so whatever you want to pay, for example, let's say you want to pay using 2Checkout in Amazon, which they don't have obviously, you will be taken to another page, another tab that will make you leave the original website where you are shopping from. This is causing problems that clients are leaving your sites, and basically sometimes they will just like for example, let's say something happened wrong in the payment procedure on the 2Checkout official websites, and they'll be like, oh man, I don't want to go all the way back to that website and do all the procedure again. I'm just gonna leave, I'm not gonna buy. So to prevent that, 2Checkout have made this pop-up. So it's gonna be a pop-up within your screen, within your site, so nobody has to leave your website. Everyone will stay on your site, but also they will have to do everything within your site, so you can keep them in your site and pay in your site. So it's gonna be simple pop-up from 2Checkout within your site that will allow them to buy whatever they want from you. So this is like the integration in case you would like to add it. This is the documents about it, and this is the API on how you can add it. So you can follow along these articles that are here. There is problems from the community. It has a lot of views, it has comments, so you can literally learn from them and get to understand more about the 2Checkout procedure. And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. That was basically the best tutorial that I could give you about BigCommerce essentials and the 2Checkout. There's no other information that you will need to understand now. Just go for it, open your BigCommerce essentials and start using 2Checkout with your store. See you guys in the next tutorial.